the early cods where they're really small.
ONFarm's a new way that we're looking at approaching bringing the new developments that we're doing from our research programme out to provide practical advice to farmers on what they can be doing to make their production more profitable. It's a very important part of our industry development work because we can do things on farm here and now, but we also have to be looking to the future all the time. So HCC does a lot of work to invest in research and development. We work with some of the best researchers both in Wales, in the UK and abroad to bring forward some of these findings so that we can then look to develop practical solutions that can eventually translate into benefits on farm. One of the nice things for us is that throughout each of the sessions we've had so far, it's been good practical advice that's already coming through. So farmers can take home messages that they can already start to implement while the researchers are busy working on the next phase that will come through.